Hey, what up guys? Dustin Depp here. Today I've got with you guys something really cool, especially for those of you in the UK and England. Touchscreen smart lights have been a thing in the States for quite a while now, and other countries with 120 power, but you don't really see them in the UK or England. This is an all new product from violet-ultra.co.uk. So I highly recommend you guys check this out. This is a touchscreen smart switch that will control your Sonos and Philips Hue lights. Obviously, Philips Hue controls way more than just their own lights, so I'm sure you can probably use other lights as well. Let's go ahead and cut this guy open and check it out. So, pretty cool packaging. It replaces your existing switch. Simple Sonos control, quick Philips Hue scene control. So let's open it up. So first off, the packaging is really nice. Got a magnetic box. So top-notch packaging. Let's open it up. So right here we've got the first card. It says Violet, intelligence in every space. Thank you for purchasing Smart Switch Lite. Now the funny thing here is that it's called Smart Switch Lite, so it kind of makes you think there's a full-on smart switch, but right now this is their only product. I'm sure they're going to have some more stuff come out in the future though, but this is what we're here to see, this smart switch. So let's go ahead and open it up here. So obviously without power there's not a lot that we can see, but as you can see, it's got a touch screen display, a super small Violet logo right down there. This is all glass right here, completely smooth with very, very small bezels around it. It looks very premium. This is appears to be a metal. It could be plastic. I think it is plastic, but it's got that metallic finish on it, so it looks like it's metal. In the back here, you've got neutral, live, and then some grounds there. Now for this you will need a neutral wire, but the people over at Violet told me how to do the hack in your light per se, so we will hopefully show you guys that, and it is fully legal, so to get a neutral to your switch, so that way you can power this guy up and check out all its great features. Let's see if there's anything else in the box here. This packaging is intense. So we've just got the 2 screws, and that appears to be it. So basically you'll replace your existing your existing switch with this, and then you will have smart switch capacity from this right here, and it'll control your Sonos. Basically you have to use Philips Hue light bulbs though, and the power will be always on at the light bulb is how this works. So if you guys are interested in seeing this set up and seeing an install video, please hit the thumbs up, and subscribe at Dustin Depp. Peace.